Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So our today's topic of discussion is nerve supply of external ear. As you already know that external ear is divided into two parts, that is the pinna or the auricle and the external ear canal. So we will learn step by step the nerve supply of the external ear. So first we are going to start with the nerve supply of the pinna or the auricle. So this is the anterior direction, this is the posterior direction. So this is basically a right ear. So the diagram which you see in front of you is that of a pinna or a auricle of the right ear, and the one which is represented by A is the lateral surface of the pinna. So this is the lateral surface of the pinna. So you must be wondering what is diagram B. So basically diagram B is the medial surface of the pinna. So how we obtain this? We basically flip the ear from this to this direction, and hence we get the exposure for the medial surface. So let's learn about the nerve supply of pinna. The anterior superior part of the lateral surface of the pinna, which includes the tragus and the crus of the helix, is supplied by auriculotemporal nerve, which is a branch of the mandibular division of cranial nerve 5, also known as trigeminal nerve. The concha region is supplied by cranial nerve 7 and 10, that is the auricular division of vagus nerve, and the remaining portion or the remaining area in the lateral surface of the pinna is supplied by greater occipital nerve, which is C2, C3 of the cervical plexus. The upper part of the auricle in the medial surface is supplied by lesser occipital nerve C2 of the cervical plexus. Again, the concha region is supplied by cranial nerves 7 and auricular division of the vagus nerve same, and the remaining portion or the remaining part is supplied by greater occipital nerve C2 C3 of the cervical plexus. Next is the nerve supply of external ear canal. So imagine this is external ear canal and this is the tympanic membrane. So what we do is we divide the external ear canal into three parts. This is the anterior part, this is the posterior superior part, and this is the posterior inferior part. The anterior part of the external ear canal is supplied by auriculotemporal nerve, again which is a branch of mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. The posterior inferior part of the external ear canal is supplied by auricular division of cranial nerve 10, that is vagus nerve, which is also known as Arnold's nerve. And the posterior-superior part of the external ear canal is supplied by the sensory division of facial nerve. So, in a nutshell, the nerve supply of external ear can be divided into the nerve supply to pinna and the nerve supply to external auditory canal. The pinna is supplied by auriculotemporal nerve. It is supplied by Greater Auricular Nerve. It is supplied by Lesser Occipital Nerve and by cranial nerve 7 and 10, that is its auricular branch. And the external auditory canal is supplied by auriculotemporal nerve, the sensory division of facial nerve, and the auricular branch of vagus, that is the Arnold's nerve. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.